Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide the widgets board on Windows 11. So in here, I have already on my desktop on Windows 11. So when I'm hovering the taskbar in here, as you guys can see, this widgets board will always appear when I hovering in here, and it's kind of annoying when I doing some tasks or I'm working, so this will show up again and again. So what you need to do if you want to hide or remove it is that you can just here when the widgets board is open, you can see there will be this settings icon at the top right corner. So just tap on that. And in here, if you scroll down, there will be this option, open widgets board on hover. So what you need to do is just turn this off. So when you are hovering on the taskbar icon, the widgets board will not show up again. Let's see if it works. Okay, so as you guys can see here, before when I go to this, it will open, but now I need to click it before it can show. So that's how you can hide the widgets board. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.